Is it truly time, guys? I'm getting very excited. Why? Because this month, March, finally will XRP be able to get clarity. I can't believe it, guys. If this comes into fruition this month, it's literally about to be face melting, right? Chart melting. The charts will definitely melt, guys, or the crypto sphere will be in shock as to what just took place. Now, before we talk about what's about to happen with the Ripple versus SEC case, first of all, from Real Chart, Ripple CEO warns looming XRP lawsuit ruling will have quote-unquote pivotal implications for crypto if SEC wins. You don't say, right? This is how, if all these other maxis and whatnot, guys, the people who hate Ripple and XRP, they don't see that if they lose, guys, it's literally game over for every coin out there, right? And obviously these haters come out of the woodwork. XRP is centralized, so it's not a real cryptocurrency. It is the reason the SEC is taking them to court. All other real cryptos don't fall in the same category. Wow, a lot of likes actually, right? That's crazy. But these people are still naive, guys, right? As they don't see if the SEC wins, as some people are saying right here, which I'm pretty sure they're not, guys, that every other coin will have to go away, right? Basically. So to all the haters out there, you should probably root for Ripple and XRP at the end of the day. Now, here we go, folks. Basically, from attorney Jeremy, Ripple just filed a strong case supporting its fair notice defense. Strong because it comes from the US Supreme Court and states that regular-ish people like you and me need to have guidance and know what the law rules are before we are sued. Exactly, right, folks? Then we go down here. You still standing firm on your March 30th date with a Ripple victory or at least XRP clarity? What did attorney Jeremy state, guys, or reply? I've gotten the rulings pretty good, but have messed up the timing. But I'm trying myself to file in March 30th date, guys. Again, is XRP about to get clarity here, guys? If XRP does, wow, I'm smiling already, right? Just thinking about it, because we have been in this case since the end of 2020. How, right? Christmas was ruined, not only in 2020 but 2021 as well, because XRP didn't have that bull run, right, or all-time high or new all-time high, folks. While every other damn crypto did, except a few like XLM and a few others, right? But remember, these coins are interlinked together, so it seems like. But listen to this. Here we go. 57-page order from Judge Torres on SEC and Ripple's motions. Re-expert testimony from Violent Law incoming. This is not the summary judgment ruling, but this means the summary judgment is very, very close, right? Very, very close. Like, how close, guys? Not holding you to it, but what do you mean, Fred? A week? A day? I would say this month. Phelan suggested we would see a likely simultaneous ruling on experts and summary judgment, and that made a lot of sense. So, summary judgment is either coming out at any moment, wow, or Judge Torres is dropping this one first to cajole the parties into settlements at the last chance, right? So what's about to happen, guys? Settlement, Ripple wins, or obviously XRP gets clarity here soon. Breaking: Judge Torres issues ruling on parties' motions to preclude expert testimony. Now, people are not, we're not going to go through this 57 pages, guys. I mean, if you would like to, I will have the link down below so you guys can go ahead and investigate further. But basically, very, very hot take. This is much worse for the SEC than Ripple. Ripple did take a few losses though, right? Remember, they will probably get a slap on the wrist, pay the fine, move on, right? Clarity for XRP, and here we go. Anyone else first thought that Judge Torres ruled on the entire XRP lawsuit, guys? Conclusion. Now, if you guys would like to pause and check this out, you guys can right here, right? I'm pretty sure someone else in the XRP community will break it down for you guys, like specifically, guys, right? Go through everything, but it's probably going to take a little bit to read through it all, guys. Then, if you go down here, so they're disallowing evidence from the very important SEC experts. Sounds good. This one was a big one. The biggest hit seems to be to the SEC in that none are permitted to speak on the investors' intentions. Interesting. However, all have been recognized to be reliable in their respective fields. Each can offer to the court and jury relevance information. Now, let's go to this next tweet from Freddie Riz. Love going through this order. Very well reasoned. At page 15, but already the TLDR is that neither the SEC nor Ripple are getting a full summary judgment victory, and parts of this case are going to trial. Interesting, right? So half and half or something. At the same time, I think I'll be correct in my prediction on the secondary. This is very important, guys. On the secondary sales of XRP, right? XRP gets that green light or clarity, and possibly what happens after, folks. Do banks go live, right? It's fascinating because, wow, think about it, folks. March, this month, so many different things are taking place this month. Why? Right? I was talking about, why is it all this month? And possibly XRP gets clarity this month as well, right? It's either this month, we talked about it before, guys. It's either going to be this month or the collapse. Let's hope and pray it's this month, please, right? A new year, remember, the new year is this month as well, folks. Wow, isn't that something? Not to mention, if XRP, or when XRP gets clarity, guys, right, and it's ruled not a security, guess what's going to happen? It's going to be the first asset or cryptocurrency out there that's ruled on that's on paper that XRP is not a damn security. What does that tell us? Guess what's going to happen to the XRP's price, right, or chart? You could throw your damn Fibonacci through the window, guys, or out the window, right? Because it's literally going to break all records, to say the least, in my humble opinion, I believe. Now, from Attorney Jeremy, he comes in and states, the SEC has to prove that you had a reasonable expectation of profits from Ripple's efforts. Now, did you? No, guys. You guys didn't buy because of Ripple, right? The judge just struck the SEC's only expert witness on that subject. So now, how the heck can the SEC prove reasonable reliance? Who will testify? Just thinking out loud. Wow. Basically, second, defendants argue that expert number one's first opinion as to what a reasonable XRP purchaser believed should be excluded because he lacks a reliable methodology to support his opinion. We go down here. Nobody, right? I can't think of anyone unless they are going to bring an individual XRP buyer to testify, which of course would open the door to Ripple bringing in their own XRP purchasers to say the exact opposite thing, guys. Wow, right? It's like the swing set, back and forth, back and forth. If they bring in their own XRP buyer, and Ripple will bring in their own, right? Guys, this is a clown case if you ask me. Why? Because how is this case ongoing to this date? Right? I truly can't grasp it, folks. Can you? No one ever bought XRP expecting profits from Ripple. Whenever they say, or whenever they announce partnerships, it doesn't even pump the price. Exactly, folks, right? Settlement incoming, possibly? A win for Ripple? XRP clarity? What could it be, folks? You let me know. Now, if you go down here, then an update from Attorney Jeremy. Well, I hate to answer my own question, but apparently the judge thinks that expert number 3's opinion as to Ripple's incentives and actions to influence XRP's price is relevant to the issue of reasonable expectation of profits. Interesting. Ripple's incentives and actions to influence XRP's price. But remember, as XRP Crypto Wolf just stated above, what? They just got it. Basically, the SEC is making stuff up along the way, folks, because whenever Ripple announces a partnership, does it even pump the price? It doesn't, folks. Isn't that crazy? From Johnny Deaton, Ripple's motion to exclude expert number 1 from testifying is granted as to his first opinion about the perceptions of a reasonable XRP purchaser and denied as to the remainder of his testimony. Just Torres. Now try and tell me XRP holders don't make a difference. And if you go down here, defendant's motion to preclude expert number 4 from testifying is granted as to his third opinion about the risks to the XRP ledger that might materialize if Ripple walked away or disappeared, and denied as to the remainder of his testimony. What does this mean? Remember, there's even a damn XRP ledger node, guys. That's within a bunker, right? I forgot where. So we don't need Ripple to stay alive, guys, for what the XRP ledger to keep running 24/7, never sleep, right? Come on, folks. But Ripple will still be here to the end of time. XRP as well, obviously. It means the over 50 affidavits we submitted from independent developers on the XRP ledger and spend the bits amicus brief probably didn't hurt to show that the XRP ledger could survive without Ripple. Beautiful, guys, right? Oh wow, thanks Johnny Deaton. Does this give any suggestion or hint on the remaining timing till summary judgment? I seriously doubt that we see a significant delay from here. Could be tonight or in a couple of weeks. Wow, can't believe it, folks. Could be tonight, overnight. You don't say, guys. I'm just joking, but or could be in a couple of weeks, right? The timing of till summary judgment. Again, guys. So it seems like this is definitely the month we'll see some type of conclusion, finally, to this damn shenanigans show, right? What could it be, folks? What could it be? Let's prepare because I'm getting super excited. Wow, can't believe it. Now, there's a few more tweets we could have gone into, guys, but we'll probably save that for another time. But hopefully, you guys did enjoy, guys. Let's prepare to see what happens with the Ripple versus SEC case. Not financial advice, not financial advice, and not financial advice. But anyways, that's what you guys are amazing. See ya.